In this video, I am going to show you how to find current YouTube TV discounts and whether there are any promotions available to save on your subscription. YouTube TV occasionally offers discounts, especially for new subscribers, such as a 7-day free trial or reduced pricing for the first month. To check for active deals, visit the official YouTube TV website or app during sign-up, as these promotions are often highlighted on the subscription page. Additionally, look for discounts through third-party retailers like Costco, which sometimes offers gift cards or prepaid subscriptions at a lower rate. During holidays or special events like sports seasons, YouTube TV may also run limited-time promotions, so keep an eye on their announcements or social media channels. If you're already a subscriber, consider adding optional features like Sports Plus or Entertainment Plus, which bundle premium content at a discounted rate compared to subscribing separately. Always verify the terms of any discount, as they may require auto-renewal or have expiration dates. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn about current YouTube TV discounts, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.